Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can convert a WebP file to PNG or JPEG using Canva. So WebP has been gaining traction lately because this file format is very small, but it preserves high quality and it's way better in many ways compared to PNG or JPEG. But there are some legacy software that still cannot accept this new format, and that's why every time we encounter WebP file, we may have to convert it to a traditional format like JPEG or PNG. And fortunately, Canva allows us to do that. So what you need to do now is you have to download your WebP file to your computer. In this case, I have this nice picture from Wikipedia. This is a WebP file. I already downloaded to my computer. And then you want to upload the file to your Canva homepage or Canva folder projects. In this case, I'm on my projects folder. So if you want to upload the file, you can click add new and then you can click upload, or you can also just drag and drop the file to this section and Canva will immediately upload the image to your Canva account. So I have this image already being uploaded to my folder. So what you need to do after that is you have to right click on it and you want to click edit image. This is actually a simple image editing tool, but we are not going to be using this. We want to click use in a design. Okay, now just wait until it finishes. So Canva will open a brand new template, a brand new Canva document specifically for that image. So the reason why we have to upload to this folder or the Canva homepage and then using the edit image feature is that when we open this document, the Canva size, the dimension will be precisely the dimension of the image. We don't want to get something that is too small or too big. So this is precisely the size of this image. This is made specifically for this image. When you're done, you can do some modification if you want, but if you don't want to do that, just go to share, click download, and on the file tab, now you can select either JPEG, PNG, or you want also to use SVG or GIF or maybe PDF if you want to, but I'm gonna be using JPEG. And after that, you can adjust the size. In this case, I just leave it alone. And the quality, I'm going to set it to 100%. And finally, you can click download. So Canva will render the image and then it will give you the JPEG version of that image. So this is the JPEG version. This is exactly the same content, same everything, except it used to be WebP, but now it is JPG, or maybe you can also use PNG. So anyway, that's how you can do it. That's how you can convert a WebP file into something else using Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and if that was the case, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.